So I found myself a little abandoned restaurant. Gonna have a look round. Over there. What once was, eh? Quite cool, these abandoned places. This one's not overly exciting because it's quite small, but you get some really cool, funky looking places. Look at that graffiti. It's quite cool, isn't it? That's how other people have just signed it all the way around and just left the main feature. It's quite big. What these little black things are. Seems to be quite a lot of them. Oh, they're for clothes, aren't they? It used to be a shop. Oh, it used to be a clothes shop. Yeah, yeah. I wonder what they sold in here. Wilson. Oh, golf stuff. Yeah, golf brochures. A big shop, wasn't it? Yeah. It's quite a lot of land with it as well. Yeah. So it looks like there was a little golf course here. Obviously buried now with a load of weeds. Oh, right, yeah, I see what you mean. Okay. So they would hit off from here, look. And then hit the balls over there. I suppose this was all really nice. Wonder what that is over there then. What is that for? It's just a bit random. Oh dear, look at that. There's a few golf balls down there.
You're getting no water out of that well, are you?
That is a big hole. Can't really see much. So this looks like quite an old well that's been here a long time. And as you can see, they got these markings here, which my friend just pointed out, that where they used to pull up the buckets for the water, and obviously over time it's kind of ground into the stones, like loads of them all the way around here. So I think this is quite an old well. And there's just another little building up here. Probably not a lot in this one, but let's have a quick look. These are the old VHS tapes. Who remembers these? Wonder what's on all them. Golf stuff.
Yeah, mate, it's going for golf ball.
Yeah, that's the only golf ball that we can find. It's a little bit battered. So there's a little notice here on the board. We're going to see if we can translate it using Google. Notice. That Google app is pretty cool. That's mad, isn't it? Oh, just translate that through that little app.
Yeah.
So whilst on the travels to the mountain, found another little abandoned building, but I'm not too sure if there's anything much in this one. Although you never can tell until you get inside. What is that? Looks like some kind of old, I don't know, press of some kind. What's up there? I don't know what that is, that big thing there. That's what I just said, yeah. Like some kind of a press, yeah. Got some old photograph things here. Oh. I don't know what that is. It's like some kind of, I don't know, golfing resort? Not an awful lot up here. Anyway. I'm not sure what it was. We're going to try and get to the top of that mountain in a minute. Over there. Not sure what this was really. This place? Engineering firm, yeah. Not much in that one, but still fairly interesting. Nice big press in there. Looks pretty old. So we're going to go and try and climb this mountain now and then have a look at another abandoned building a bit later on. We're going to try to climb that one, I think. Up there. Well, it's not exactly hard to climb, but something to do.